Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your dirty Crocs and even the ones that have the fur on the inside. So this method will work for either, whatever you have. Since these Crocs have the fur on the inside, I'm going to be using some laundry detergent. I am using my free all-in clear, but you can use whatever laundry detergent you have, and you'll be filling up a bucket of water with some of your laundry detergent and use about warm water. The first step is to put your Crocs in the soapy water, and then you're going to want to find something that will help keep them submerged under because they kind of just want to float on top. So I just used the lid. Then you want to let them soak in the water for about 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, it's time to give your shoes the first initial scrub down. I'm just using a shoe cleaning brush, but you can use whatever you have, even if it's a brush that's from the Dollar Tree, anything that has a bit of a harder bristle to really get it clean. Since mine have the fur on the inside, I'm really trying to make sure that I also give the fur a good scrub on the inside so that it can be clean as well. Then you want to use some Dawn Power Wash. Since this product is really good at cutting grease, oil, grime, dirt, it helps a lot to clean your Crocs. So just generously spray it on your Crocs and continue to scrub it clean with your brush. Then go ahead and give your Crocs a good rinse. Make sure you get all that soap off of them. And then I like to toss them in the washing machine on the rinse spin cycle. That really helps get some of the excess moisture out. And that is it. Set them out to dry and you will have some brand new clean looking Crocs.